How to enable or disable GPS location on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on location. At the top here, tap on the on-off toggle button to switch off or turn on location data. And here, tap on close to close it. Or if you tap on the toggle button, you can turn it on, and the following apps have recently accessed my location. Another way how you can quickly turn on or turn off the location services is via the shortcut panel. So at the top here, swipe down. In this quick settings panel, if I swipe down once more, it will open up the full screen. In here, I can tap on location to quickly turn on or switch off location. So this is the shortcut quick panel that you can also use to turn on or turn off location services. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.